Hello students, in the previous lesson we have covered a scale pair which is B major scale and its relative minor which is G sharp minor scale. Although we still have so many scale pair left to cover, but for the change we have decided to introduce you to the chords in the music theory. In today's lesson, we will learn about chord theory, in which we will try to understand what really chords are and how they really works. Before directly going towards chord, we must first understand the concept behind the thing. Let's start with our lessons. In this lesson, we will learn harmony, then what are chords, classification of chords and different type of chords we have. Now to develop the concept of chords, we really need to understand what is harmony. Harmony is the combination of simultaneously sounded musical notes to produce a pleasing sound, which simply means when we hear two sounds of different pitches simultaneously, then if it sounds soothing to our ears, we call these pitches or notes are in harmony. It means we know that notes or pitches can be harmonized. Also, it can be more than two notes. To understand it better, let's hear some sounds and listen ourselves what does it really means. For this, let's first create two boxes in which two notes resides, box 1 and box 2. For this example, we are taking our natural scale and its notes, which is C major scale. Let's first take first two notes of C major scale, which is C and D, and hear it and decide ourselves that they are in harmony or not. First, we will listen it one by one and then together. What do you think? Does they sound good together? No, it means they are not in harmony. Let's try some other notes. Let's just change the note in the second box only and keep the C note fixed. After D we have E. Let's hear them. Does it sound pleasing? Yes, they are in harmony. What about C and F? They are also in harmony. And C and G also. Let's hear it. C will also harmonize with A but not with B. Now, in C scale, C is not harmonizing with D and note B. Now you got an idea. When we take these harmonizing notes and play together, we say that we are playing chords. For example, let's take C, E and G notes and listen them together. The sound we just heard was a chord, and combination of C, E and G together are called C major chord. That takes us to the definition of chord, which says group of notes which are harmonizing and played together are called chords. Now let's see the classification of chords. Chords can be classified in many ways, but we have classified it in three ways. First, on the basis of notes. Example, Number of notes present in the chords. We have 2 note chords, 3 note chords, and 4 note chords. On the basis of type of notes, means we can arrange all the chords on the basis of its type, mean all A chords together and all B chords together. Lastly, on the basis of scale, means all those chords that comprises a scale. We will study all these in our upcoming classes. Now let's see the different type of chords. The type of chords are major chord, minor chord, suspended chord, augmented chord, diminished chords, seventh chord, major seventh, dominant seventh, minor seventh, augmented seventh, half diminished seventh, full diminished seventh, suspended seventh, minor major seventh, power chords, C2 or C add 2, C9 or C add 9, C6. These are all the possible chords that have developed from time, but our main focus will be on major, minor and seventh chord. Also the suspended, augmented and diminished also. This is all for today's lesson. We will learn all these chords one by one with respect to the scales. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.